Good morning. Oh, this fire's been keeping this place really warm. I keep forgetting how cold it is, and then the fire will die down. I'll be like, dang, it's really cold out. As long as the fire's roaring, this place holds the heat pretty well. All right, I think it's time to get up, try to make some breakfast. Gonna rub some butter on this warm tortilla and put cinnamon sugar on it. That's good. If you ever had cinnamon toast or a sopapilla, it kind of tastes like that. Got some steel cut Irish oatmeal here. This is the good stuff. A little butter, brown sugar, and raisins. It's about 9:30 in the morning and you can start to see a little bit of light out. Sun's gonna rise in about 45 minutes. Oh, well that was good. I gotta do the dishes now. About 10 o'clock and it looks like the sun's up. Need to get to work here. This thatching only does a marginal job of keeping the wind out, but once you get a little bit of snow on top of it, then it's absolutely airtight. The trick is that you got to make it thick enough and far enough away from the fire that when you've got a nice big roaring fire in here, you don't have drips of water from melting snow. Hopefully we got it right.